23 simple ways to strengthen long-distance relationship. You are probably frustrated that this COVID-19 has pushed you into a long-distance relationship. Well, it is not only you who have been kept by the lockdown from seeing your honey pie. They say that absence makes the heart go fonder. Therefore, take this lockdown as a chance to strengthen your relationship. How? Check out some of the simple ways. 1. Have faith in your relationship. Distance is not the worst problem that could challenge your relationship. Instead of worrying, believe that it can withstand a few weeks or months of not being physically together. 2. Trust your partner more than ever. Without trust, your relationship will be shaky. For this reason, learn to trust your partner a little bit more. Avoid being paranoid that he or she could be sneaking behind your back. 3. Make an effort to communicate regularly. As much as possible, keep in touch daily. With the availability of free Facebook and Messenger, communication has been made easier for long-distance relationships. 4. Make your talks engaging. Whenever you are talking, see to it that both are actively participating. When talking, give full attention and avoid distractions. 5. Avoid monotonous communication routines. In connection with number 4, please avoid expected habitual messages such as "Have you eaten yet? What are you doing? And what time will you sleep?" Find interesting topics to talk about. 6. Reminisce about your memorable moments. Stay in love by going back to your favorite memories together. For instance, reminisce about how you first met, who fell in love first, and what were your most romantic moments. 7. Be vocal about your appreciation. Make it a habit to express your appreciation for each other. It would help if you had this now more than ever to remind yourselves why you have chosen to stay together all this time. 8. Tag your partner in sweet messages or photos on social media. I am not encouraging you to be so public about your relationship. However, doing so once in a while could help dismiss paranoid thoughts. Some say that if your partner cannot post about you on social media, he or she is maybe protecting someone else's feelings. 9. Stop overthinking. Some long-distance relationship problems arise from groundless suspicions and jealousy. For example, if you worried about getting cheated on every day, you would end up stressed, afraid, and even depressed. To avoid this, do not overanalyze. 10. Agree on the limits and boundaries of your long-distance relationship. Suppose it can ease your worries, set boundaries while you are in this long-distance relationship. It can include your virtual babe time schedule and how to deal with the opposite sex on chats. 11. Do not demand 24/7 updates. Whether you are in a long-distance relationship or not, it is still unhealthy to demand hourly reports from each other. It could be a nuisance to be reporting menial things like what you are eating and the TV show you are watching. You both need space and time to move around without thinking of someone else. 12. Exchange account passwords. If it can give you both peace, then it is acceptable to exchange account passwords. This way, unnecessary suspicions will be avoided. 13. Control yourself from stalking. Stop being paranoid and meticulous about possible third parties. Stop stalking those who react or comment on your partner's post or even his or her ex's. 14. Avoid lingering too much on social media. Being constant on social media could make you more vulnerable to insecurities. It would make you compare your relationship to others. Also, it may tempt you to stalk your ex or your partner. 15. Do not be so controlling. Avoid being so domineering to the point that you take away your partner's freedom to decide for himself or herself. Also, instead of imposing what you want in the relationship, talk about it with each other. 16. Avoid being possessive. Stop yourself from being unreasonably jealous and territorial. Do not prohibit him or her from seeing or talking with his or her friends. Also, stop eyeing every opposite sex who comes around your partner as a threat. 17. Stop being so focused on your relationship. Do not let your world revolve around your relationship. It could make one or both of you toxic and possessive. Soon, every little thing would become an issue, like late replies and an hour of unavailability. 18. Find individual hobbies. Be occupied with other passions to keep yourself from becoming too focused on the relationship. Get a hobby you love and make sure you support each other. This way, you will have new exciting topics to talk about. 19. Do not lie. No matter how small it is, a single lie can break trust. So if you want to keep your long-distance relationship strong, take care of each other's trust. 20. Stop being suspicious of your partner. If you are always suspecting your partner of cheating, then he or she might really do it. Being constantly accused of something you are not really doing could be tiring. It could tempt you to just give in. 21. Be forgiving. It is normal to have misunderstandings, especially in a long-distance relationship. However, reconciliation will be easier and faster if both will be willing to forgive immediately. 22. Have a prayer time together. Another way to strengthen your long-distance relationship is by growing spiritually together. This starts by setting a regular prayer time. It is up to you if you will do it individually during that specific time, or you will pray together. If done together, you can do it over the phone or via video call. 23. Share daily devotions. Aside from prayer time, you can also share reflections on Bible passages daily. Again, you can do this before or after prayer time. Studying God's Word together and reminding each other to apply it will be helpful not just for your relationship but for your personal growth. Distance is not a hindrance. Instead of looking at a long-distance relationship as a burden, take it positively. Use your time apart to grow as an individual and strengthen your relationship. If you can survive distance and time, then future challenges will be easier for your relationship to conquer. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.